Hello friends, good morning. This is Neeraj Kumar and friends, today I am here again to do practice with all of you and friends. First of all, friends, in this video I will teach you that how will you introduce yourself and how will you tell you the information about your family and about yourself. And friends, you know, friends, before this start this video and friends, if you are new English learners and if you are new English learners and if you are a student and if you want to do better in your student life, and friends, if you are a teacher and if you are a businessman, and friends, if you are any kind of person, friends, you can watch this video. And friends, if you are new English learners and friends, if you want to improve your English, yes, if you want to improve your English, friends, if you watch this video till the end, friends, I promise you that if you watch this video till the end, you will get more benefits and you will get more vocabulary from this video. So friends, you know, before start this video, friends, before start this video, friends, I want to appreciate my respected friends, audience who is watching me patiently from all over the world and all over the India. Friends, thank you for clicking this video, thank you for visiting my channel. Friends, my name is Neeraj Kumar and today I am here to say something. And friends, today I am here to share my opinions and I want to share something from my heart. Friends, you know, when we start learning English and when we start speaking English, and friends, we want to express ourselves, we want to express our thoughts with anybody, with others people. But friends, when we want to express ourselves, we start knowing about the world, friends, we start knowing about the world, friends, but we don't start knowing about the world, friends. You must know yourself, friends. First of all, you must know yourself, friends. If you know yourself, and after that, please first of all express yourself in front of people, in front of others people, friends. And after that, start knowing about the world, start knowing about the world, friends. First of all you have to learn that how will you introduce yourself in front of people. Friends, in this video I'm going to introduce myself. You can you can watch this video and you will get ideas that how you should talk, how you should talk about yourself. Friends, first, as I told you that my name is Neeraj Kumar. Friends, my name is Neeraj Kumar, and friends, I am and 19 years old. And friends, I am 19 years old. Friends, I want, and about your name, about your age, and friends, you can start your your video, your speech with your tell with your telling about your family. Friends, I have nuclear family. Yes, I have nuclear family. And friends, there are 7 members in my family. Friends, I have 4 siblings and my parents. Friends, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters and my parents. Friends, my friends, my elder brother's name is Mr. Anil Kumar, and my younger brother's name is Mr. Rahul Kumar. Friends, and friends, as I told you that I have 2 sisters. Friends, my elder sister's name is Mrs. Charan Devi, and my younger sister's name is Mrs. Sri Devi. Friends, my all siblings have got married. Yes, my all siblings have got married, but friends, I am not married. Friends, I didn't get married because, friends, in these days I am doing studying, friends, so I am not interested to get married. Friends, I am focused on my dream. I am focused on my future. So friends, you know, my father names is my father's name is Mr. Birpal and my mother's name is Mrs. Chandrabati. And friends, my father is a small farmer and friends, he is friends, he is 17 years old. Yes, he is 17 years old. He is retired from his work. And friends, friends, my mother, friends, my mother, my mother was a housewife. Friends, why I am saying that my mother was a housewife? Because friends, in this time I do not have my mother. Friends, before 2 years I have lost my mother. Friends, when I lost my mother, friends, I felt very bad. I was depressed. And friends, and friends, I I overcame myself from depression, friends, without difficulties. So friends, this is my story. And friends, my elder brother, friends, my elder brother is mechanic. Yes, my elder brother is mechanic. He works in under the builders. He works under the builder. Friends, he makes building. And friends, my friends, my friends, my elder brothers, as I told you, he has got married. And friends, he has got married. And friends, he has a small family. He has two siblings. And friends, he has a good wife. And he is living a good life with his family and with his children. Friends, he has two children. Friends, he has one daughter. He has one daughter and son. Friends, his daughter's name is Mrs. Ria and his son's name is Mr. Pius. And friends, his wife name is Mrs. Santos. And friends, this is all information about my elder brothers. Now I am going to talk about my younger brother. Friends, as I told you that my younger brother's name is Mr. Rahul Kumar. Friends, he is also a mechanic. And friends, he works in a factory. Friends, this factory is called Ascot factory. Friends, you know friends, jeans pants are made in this factory. Friends, he works in builders. Friends, he makes a jeans pant. Friends, so, and friends, he is he has got married too. Friends, he has one friends, he has one uh, daughter. Friends, his daughter's name is Mrs. Purvi. And friends, his wife's name is Anjali. Friends, so is some this is some of more some information about my younger brother. Friends, now I am going to talk about my education background. Friends, I have done only 12th class. Yes, I have done only 12th class. Friends, I do not have done any higher education. I have done only 12th class. Friends, from art streams. And friends, after doing, friends, I have done 12th class from SM, from FR Inter College. Yes, from FR Inter College. Friends, friends, in these days I am doing BA program from SM Degree College. Friends, by why have I chosen this BA program? Because friends, there is a big reason behind this program. Friends, because when I was in 12th class, friends, I went Delhi. Yes, I went to Delhi for work. And friends, there I used to work in under a builder's. Friends, that builder has a son. Friends, his son was preparing for civil service exam. Friends, yes, he was preparing for civil service exam. Friends, his son used to come with us. And friends, he used to talk us about civil service exam. And friends, he talk about that what are the benefits of doing this particular exams preparation. And friends, after friends you know friends, after listening his words, friends, I was so impressed. Yes, I was so impressed. And I have decided that after doing my 12th class, and I will preparation for this particular exam. Friends, after coming back my home, friends, I have admission in BA program, because after doing my during my education, during my graduation, uh, I will I will do a preparation of civil service exam, friends. But and after doing the 12th class, friends, I have realized that I I didn't, friends. I was no confidence in English, friends. Yes, I was not able to speak English. I was not able to understand English at once. So, friends, I have started learning English from myself, with myself. So, friends, I have started learning English with myself. And friends, I have also realized that, friends, I was I was no confidence, friends. I have lack of confidence, friends. So that's why uh, I thought that I should start teaching for the students. So, friends, because I wanted to improve my communication skills, I wanted to build my confidence. So that's why I have decided that I will teach the student. And friends, I come back my primary school. There, friends, I used to study, and friends, there I have completed my primary education. Friends friends no there friends, there he is my first teacher of my life, friends. Friends, I asked him that I want to teach in your school, friends, can you allow me, friends? They friends, they said, if you want to teach this school, friends, they allowed me, and they say you can teach because you are my student, and you have done well here, you can teach, friends. I was so happy, and I was come home, and friends, I friends, and next day, friends, I joined that school, and I start teaching. And friends, I taught there around 1 year. Yes, I taught there around 1 year, friends. Student was so impressed my teaching style, friends. Friends, friends, and then, friends, after teaching 1 year, friends, I have realized that I should, friends, I had a knowledge of English language somewhat. I had a knowledge of English language somewhat, friends. I have realized that I should move towards for particular this subject, friends. After, friends, after that, friends, I have I have, friends, after that, friends, I have I have taken this room on rent, and friends, I have started teach the student here. Friends, here I teach my student. Friends, I teach here my student English language. Friends, yes, I teach here English language for my students. Friends, I have seen that, friends, in our college, in our school, and our teacher, friends, teach English as a subject. Friends, they never teach English as a language. Yes, friends, that's why we are not able to understand English. We are not good at English. So this is the reason, friends. But I have decided that I will not teach English as a subject. I will teach English as a language. I will I will give you the reveal what English is a language. Everybody can easily learn English, friends. I will make English easily for everyone. So this is my dream. And friends, after teaching 2 years, friends, I have realized that I should be a teacher of English language. Yes, I have realized that I should be a teacher of English language. So, friends, here I am working on my project, and friends, surely, friends, I will get my success, and I will fulfill my dreams. So, friends, so, and friends, you can see that, friends, English is the most important in today's time. Yes, today's time, friends, because it has become a global language. Yes, it has become a global language, friends. It has become a global language. But, friends, this is very important. Friends, I want to say something about English language, and I want to express myself and my views about English language. Friends, English as a global language, and nobody can escape their self from English language, because it's, friends, friends, it is used in every fields. Yes, it is used in every fields, like you can say education, politics, economies, film industries. In every fields English is used. So friends, you cannot escape yourself from English, so please understand. And friends, in this time, friends, but friends, I want to say, friends, what is the situation of English language in present time? I will reveal, friends, English as a global language. Yes, English as a global language would be accepted. So many people who know this language, yes, who know this language, friends, because they believe that it is the easy language. Yes, it is easy language because it has only 26 letters. Yes, it has only 26 letters. Friends, which letters are used to make words, to make sentences. Yes, they believe it is also easy for non-native speakers. Yes, they also believe it is very easy for non-native speakers. Anybody can understand written English. Anybody can understands written English. So this is very important. Sorry friends. Now friends, it is very easy for non-native speakers who did not, friends, who has not their mother tongue. But friends, so this is very important. Now friends, as I told you that English is used in every fields. Yes, friends, 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 yes, friends, 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 English is used in every fields. Friends, you want to, friends, even if you want to qualify any interview. Yes, if you want to qualify any interview, if you want to qualify any kind of interview, you need English. Without knowing English, you can't qualify this particular interview. And friends, even if you want to qualify any kind of competitive exam, friends, you need English. Yes, you need English. Friends, suppose you want to be air hostess, if you want to be pilot, friends, you must know English. You must you must learn English. So this is the compulsory language in India. Friends, it is the company, because it is spoken all over the India. It is spoken all over the world. It is spoken around 86 countries. Yes, 86 countries. So this is very important. And friends, even friends, even if you want to start your business, yes, if you want to start your business, friends, if you want to start your business, and friends, you want to expand it at international level. Yes, if you want to start your business and you want to expand it at international level, friends, you need English, because you have to communicate there in English language. Suppose friends, we can guess that you have and you have a meeting at international language, because you are a businessman. Friends, you want to attend that meeting. Friends, if you have knowledge of English language, if you know English language, you can attend that meeting easily. So this is very important. But friends, suppose you don't know English language, you don't have knowledge of English language, friends, you feel you feel hesitate, you feel unconfident in attending that meeting, because there is more possibility that it could be done in English language. It could be done in English language. So please understand, friends. So, and friends, we can see that these time, friends, our internet systems and our friends, friends, digitalization, friends, all system is in English. These systems, this system works in English language. Friends, there are so many websites are work in English language. Friends, there are so many websites are written in English language. Friends, suppose your teacher, friends, gives you a task that you have to make a file on particular topic. Friends, you want to search on Google, you want to search on YouTube. Friends, first of all, you must know English language, friends, because internet language is English. So friends, if you want to search, you can better search on YouTube, you can better search on Google if you know English language. So this is very important. Now friends, some people say that make if you want to make better use of internet, you must know English. Friends, this is very important. And if you want to travel all over the world, you must know English language, because if you know English language, you do not need to hire expensive translators. If you do not need to hire expensive translators, if you do not know English language, you need to hire expensive translators. So this is very important. Now friends, so this is the importance of English language. But now we can see other friends, other parts of coins. And friends, every coins has two sides. Every coins has two sides. We can talk about other sides of this, friends. Cons. Friends, now English as a global language. Yes, English as a global language would not be accepted. So many people who don't know this language, and those people who want their language to be global language. So friends, like you can say, friends, Chinese people want their language to be global language, friends, because China did not know English. Yes, China did not know English. English teachers from India are teaching Chinese student. China did not know English, friends. But today China is capturing the market. Yes, today China is capturing the market. China will not give you a chance, friends. China will not give you a chance. If you want to make good career, you need English language. So please understand, friends. Yes, Esperanto is another language. Yes, Esperanto is another language, friends. Whose supporter whose supporter want their language to be global language, friends. They believe it is not based on any culture. Yes, they believe that it is not based on any culture, and it is invented language, and they say it should be a global language. But friends, I have already told you that many languages have put forth their many languages have put forth their interest to be global language, but none of language has become a successful language. Yes, none of language has become a successful language. Only English has become a successful language. So this is very important. So friends, I told you the importance of English language. But friends, no, there are so many people. Yes, there are so many people are sitting here. They can say, sir, you are promoting other countries language, you are promoting English language, you are not promoting Hindi language, you are not promoting your mother tongue. You should promote your mother tongue, you should promote Hindi language. But why are you promoting Hindi language, friends? Because friends, you are thinking that English is a language, English as a language. But friends, in my opinions, it is not just a language. Yes, it is not a just language. It is the most important skills in today's time. Yes, it is more required in today's time. So it is very important, friends. So this is very important, friends, because we go to 30 years back and 40 years back, English did not have importance. Yes, English did not have importance, but at this moment, it is 2026. English is the most important things. Yes, English is the most important things, friends. In our professional life, we need English. In our personal life, we need English. But our mother tongue is not very useful in our professional life, friends. But it's not mean that I am saying that you should forget your mother tongue, you should forget your Hindi language. I am not saying, friends. I am saying only one thing, that our mother tongue is not very useful. Yes, our mother tongue is not very useful, friends. It is used in our personal life, but English is used in our English is, friends, English is being used in our professional life. So please understand. But friends, we don't need to learn our mother tongue once more. We don't need to learn Hindi language once more. Because it is our language we are good at. We are good at. So we do not need to learn once more, friends. But I am not saying that you should forget your language. You should forget your mother tongue. I am not saying, friends. I am saying only one thing, friends. It is not very useful in today's time, friends. It is the most language in our life. Yes, it is the most language in our life, friends, because it's used it friends it used in every fields. And friends, it is the most, friends, we should not forget our mother tongue. So this is very important, friends. I as i as i said as i told you that, friends, you should not speak English at your house, friends. But friends, outside the house, with your friends, with your colleagues, you speak English, friends. Even even if you make some mistakes English language, friends, even if you make some mistakes English language, and friends, even if you make some mistakes in English language, friends, please don't worry about these mistakes. Please don't worry, friends. Make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes, friends. If you are doing some mistakes, it means you are progressing, you are growing yourself, you are improving your English language. But if you are not, friends, if you are not doing some mistakes, it means you are not learning, you are not growing yourself, you are not, friends, improving your English. So please understand. So this is very important, friends. Why we are not able to speak English? Because we never try to speak English language. We always speak in our mother tongue. Yes, we always speak in our mother tongue, friends. So we never try to speak. We do not have practiced English language. We have practiced in our mother tongue, friends. So this is very important, friends. Friends, there are so many students are sitting here, and friends, there are so many people are watching me and are listening me, and they can say, sir, we can't learn English. Yes, we can't learn English because we are Hindi medium student, we are weak student, we are beginner, we are average. They can make excuses, they can make excuses. So please, but friends, remember one, before making excuses, remember one thing, friends. I will say, there is not a student here who did not write an English exam, who did not write an English exam in the 10th class. There is not a student here who did not write an English exam in the 10th class, because English is there in first class, English is there in 10th class, English is there in 10th class, English is there in 12th class plus 2, English is there in graduation. Friends, how can you say that you don't know English language, you are Hindi medium student? Friends, out of hundreds, out of 10 years of Hindi, out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning one language, that is English. So please don't make excuse, friends. Please don't make excuse English language and other language. So please, friends, if I say, do you want to learn English? You can say, yes, sir. Why are you asking this question? All of you, all of us want learn English. Friends, we want learn English. But friends, don't telling me that, don't tell me that you want to learn English. Please ask yourself, do you want to learn English from your heart? Do you learn English from your heart? You have motivation to learn English. Please understand, friends. Friends, please understand. Friends, please remember one thing. Friends, you are, friends, please ask yourself, friends, if I say, do all of you want to be successful? Do all of you want to be and take any occupation? Friends, if I say, excuse me, sir, what do you want to become? And excuse me, ma'am, what do you want to become? You will say, I want to become a doctor. You will say, I want to become a teacher. You will say, I want to start my business. But friends, I already know, yes, I already know you all of you don't want to become like that. You all of you don't want to become like that, because friends, all of you want to become a good earner. Yes, all of you want to become a good earner, because today's time everyone is focusing to earn money. Friends, everyone is focusing to earn money. Friends, please don't focus on earning money. Friends, please don't make it to focus to earn money. Friends, don't run after money. Friends, that your family start asking to talk to you, that your family think 100 times to call or not. My sister, my brother, my son, my daughter, my wife, like that. So please, in my humble request, please don't make it to chase money. Please don't run after money. Friends, I know only one thing. Friends, time heals everything. Yes, time heals everything. But remember one thing, time never comes, time never comes. So please keep this thing always in your mind. Friends, as we were talking about English language, and friends, I asked a question that all of you want to be successful. You have given the answer that yes sir, why are you asking this question, we all of you want to be successful. But friends, remember one thing, that friends, the real success will come when you change your mindset. When you change your mindset, the real success will come when you change your mindset. So please understand, friends, you know, if you know English language, if you know English, you can impact the world. Yes, you can impact the world while learning English. Not world is impacting you, friends, not world is impacting you, but you can impact the world while learning English. The entire world, the entire world is yours if you know English language. If you do not know English language, however excellent you are, you don't get as much success. So please understand, friends, this is very important. Now friends, if I say, friends, how am I speaking, how am I speaking, you can say sir, you are speaking well, you are speaking good English. And friends, how friends, how is my English, friends, how is my English, you can say your English is good, friends, your English is excellent. But friends, do you want to make your English like me? Friends, do you want your English, do you want, friends, do you want your English to be like mine? Friends, you can easily your English to like mine. Friends, you can easily to like mine. Friends, it is not difficult, I am also just like you. But remember one thing, friends, who learned English with a lot of difficulties, friends, school does not matter. Hindi medium or government school does not matter. What matter is what matters is motivation. Friends, if you have motivation, if you have courage, if you have purpose and intent is clear, you can learn English language, you can learn any skills. Because friends, have you ever seen that, friends, there are so many people, there are so many teachers, there are so many students, they want to learn English, they want to improve their English, they want to learn some skills, friends, they joined some courses, friends, but no, friends, they are not able to doing well, because friends, they do not have burning desire, they do not have motivation. Friends, you can't learn anything if you do not have any purpose, if you do not have intent, if you do not have any burning desire. Friends, because we learn English from YouTube channel, we learn vocabulary from YouTube channel, we learn grammatical structure from YouTube channel. But friends, we do not have any burning desire, we do not have any burning desire. If we do not have any burning desire, we can't learn anything, because you always wasting your time, you are wasting your time. Please don't waste your time, friends. please first of all ask yourself, do you really want to learn English? Then start with yourself. So this is very important. So friends, as I told you the importance of English language, as I told you friends, the friends benefits of English language, friends, now at this moment I am starting, and I am starting telling you that how will you learn English language, and I will share my friends strategies, and share my friends process. Now friends, if you want to learn English, friends, if you want to learn any language, you must know that what are the things in a language. What are the things in a language, friends? First of all, you have to understand it, friends. In a language there are four things. Yes, in a language there are four things. First is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. You have four things. But friends, you know, if you have command on these four things, it means you know English language, friends, because you are able to speak English, you are able to read and understand English, you are able to listen and understand English, you are able to write on any topic, because you know English language, you know complete English language. So please understand, friends. First of all, if you want to know English language, you must know about these four skills. Yes, friends, these are four pillars of language. These are the four pillars of language. Friends, we will discuss every pillars one by one. We will discuss, friends. First of all, I am starting this pillar. This is, friends, this is called, friends, reading. Friends, reading is the most important pillar of this language. Friends, if I ask, do you read English daily? Are you reading English in your life? You say, yes sir, we are reading English in our life. We read English daily because we read newspaper, we read magazines, we read articles, we read English stories, we read so many things. But friends, remember one thing, you always read all these things only for meaning. You read all these things only for meaning. You never try to read all these things for language, for improvement. But friends, for improvement, friends, when we read anything first time, yes, when we read anything first time, only meaning becomes clear. Yes, only meaning becomes clear. But friends, no, meaning is not important for improvement. Yes, meaning is not important for improvement. Friends, what is important for improvement? Friends, what? First of all, you need to understand that, friends, if you are reading any books, if you are reading any passage, friends, you have to identify what are the sentences used in this passage. What is the what kind of language is used in this books. You have to understand, you have to identify each sentence. You have to identify how is the word constructed. You have to understand, friends. If you doing these things, you can improve your English easily. Yes, you can improve your English easily, you can learn English easily, because you are focusing each of step. So this is very important. Now friends, I have told some points about reading. And friends, reading, friends, there are so many teachers. Yes, there are so many teachers. They suggest their student that if you want to improve your English language, they suggest their student that if you want to improve your English language, you need to read 20 books and 10 pages in a day. 20 pages and 10 pages in a day, friends. But here I am not suggesting you that for improving your English language, and friends, you need to read 10 pages and 20 pages in a day. I am not suggesting you, friends. I am saying only one thing, friends. If you read any books, any any passage, friends, you need to read only one page or two page in a day, but you have to read it at least 10 times. You have to read it at least 10 times or 20 times, because you can say, sir, why is repeating so many times? Why is repeating so many times? Because friends, we repeat anything again and again, friends, we becomes master of this thing. We becomes master of this thing, and friends, we repeat anything, friends, it becomes a part of our memory. Yes, it becomes a part of our memory. We can use this anytime, while speaking, while reading, while listening, while, friends, writing. We can use it anytime, because it has become a part of our memory. Yes, it has become a part of our memory. We can use it. So please understand, friends, this is very important. Now, friends, I have told some things, and friends, I have give you some points about reading. You can notice these points while reading, friends. You can notice. So, friends, this is very important. Now, friends, I am moving on our next pillar of English language. This is the writing. Yes, friends, writing is the most important pillar of any language, because, friends, you are able to doing and everything, but you are not able to write. It means you don't have command on language. You don't have command on language. You are not able to express yourself. You are not able to communicate yourself in written communication. So this is the big problem for a student, friends. This is the big problem for a student, friends. I have seen that many student, they do not have ability to write. Yes, they do not have ability to write, friends. They are struggling. Yes, they are struggling. They do not want to write at all, friends. They are focusing on success. They are focusing how to get good job, but they are not focusing on their skills. They are not focusing on their improvement. So please understand, friends, don't focus on how to get good job. Don't focus on how to make money. Focus on your skills. Focus on yourself. Focus on your improvement, friends. Friends, don't focus outcome. Please focus input, friends. Input. Please focus input, friends. So this is very important. So now, friends, I am talking about writing, friends. If you want to write, and friends, I will suggest two way. You can follow it. You can follow this, friends. These, friends, you can follow these. Now, friends, now if you want to write, if you want to start writing, friends, first of all, you know how to use basic words of English language. It means you know how to use HMR, was, were, has, have. That, friends, it means you have basic knowledge of grammar. You have basic words of language. So, and friends, you know we learned, friends, we learn these words as, friends, we learned these words, but, friends, we do not learn that these words, that how to use practical, friends. Learning, friends, no, learning is one thing, and implementation is different thing. Implementation is different thing, friends. You know how, HMR, Bosberg, but you do not know how to use HMR, Bosberg in practical way, friends. How can you write on any topic? How can you express your thoughts? How can you express yourself in written communication, friends? You need to understand. You need to learn basic grammar. You need to learn basic words of English language, and after that, friends, after that you have to do it, friends. No, in a day, choose one topic. Yes, in a day, choose one topic, and, friends, you can think about this topic at least in a day 10 lines. You have to think only 10 lines in 10 lines in a day. But, friends, next day, select same topic and think again this topic, friends. Like you have, friends, you have select education. You can think about education, and, friends, next day, friends, next day, select same topic and think again, but this time you have to think 20 lines and 40 lines about education. You can think what is the meaning of education and what are the benefits of education. You can think about these things, friends. So this is very important. Friends, if you do this practice at least 1 week and 15 days, friends, you can improve your English, you can improve your written skills somewhat, friends. You can improve, friends. In this is very important, friends, because you will get ideas, you will get knowledge about this topic, friends. This is very important. And friends, before writing on any topic, you have to at least read more and more. You have to read more and more about this topic, and after that start writing. And friends, this is the first point I made for writing. Friends, I am making you second point for writing, friends. This is the other way, friends. Like suppose you get angry with your friends. Suppose you get angry with your friends and you want to fight with them. You want to fight with them. Friends, in my humble request, please don't fight with them. Please don't fight them. Friends, friends, please, because writing, friends, writing create problems. Yes, writing creates problem. Please come back your house and enter your study room and sit on a study chair and take your pen, take your book, and friends, you know, start thinking about them. Why are you hating them? Why are you, friends? Why are you hating them? Why are you, friends? Why, friends, why were you getting angry with them? Please start thinking. And friends, you have to start writing on this time, friends. 20 sentences, 10 sentences. Why do you hate them? Why do you start hating them? Friends, you have to write 10 sentences and 20 sentences. Friends, after writing 20 sentences and 10 sentences, friends, you feel happy, you feel relax, you feel relaxed. So please understand, friends, you feel happy, you feel relaxed after writing 10 sentences or 20 sentences. Friends, so this is very important. Now friends, you can use this way for writing. You can improve your writing using these two ways. So friends, I have improved my written communication, friends, while using this way, friends. Now friends, I am moving on our next topic. This is topic number, friends, this is the pillar number, friends, 3. Friends, this is the listening, friends. Yes, listening is the foundation of any language. Listening is the basement of any language, friends. Reading and writing, these are called as a foundation. Do you the meaning of foundation, friends? Foundation means that if you want to, friends, if you want to foundation means that, friends, if you want to, friends, if you want to build building, you need foundation. So if you want to improve your English, you need foundation. So reading and writing, these are foundation for your improvement. Now friends, why, friends, why we should read, why we should read more and more, why we should listen and more, friends. Listening will give you correctness. Listening will give you correctness. And friends, listening will give you pronunciation. Listening will give you pronunciation. Listening will give you language. Listening will give you improvement. So this is very important, friends. But whenever we start listening, whenever we listen English, when we listen English language, like suppose somebody is speaking English language, and friends, we are listening to him and we start translating it into our mother tongue to understand. We start translating it into our mother tongue to understand. So please friends, please stop doing that from today. Please stop doing that from today. Please don't translate it into our mother tongue to understand, because we do not need to translated version, we do not need to translate into our mother tongue to understand. We have to need, we have to friends, we have to understand only English to English. We have to understand English to English, friends. So this is very important. We need to understand English to English, friends. This is very important. And friends, most of the student friends makes most of the student make these mistakes, and they start their listening journey, and friends, they jump on movie, start watching movie, they jump on podcast, start listening podcast. But friends, I am suggesting you, friends, from my side, friends, I am saying that, friends, you should not start your listening journey from watching movie, from watching podcast. You should not start, friends, you never start, friends. Please start your listening journey with kids cartoon, kids stories, because they use simple language, they use simple words in their friends, in their program, because you are able to understand easily, friends. If you watch movie, if you watch podcast, friends, they use advanced words in their program, they use advanced English in their program, because you are not able to understand this language, you are not able to understand this language, friends. You always have to start your listening with kids cartoon, kids story, friends. This will very helpful, they are very helpful for your speaking, for your listening, for your improvement. So please understand. So friends, I made some points for listening, and friends, you have to focus on these points while listening, friends. Please understand, please understand. Now friends, I am, you know I am moving on our next step, next aspect. I am moving on our next aspect. This is the speaking. Yes, speaking is the most important. Yes, friends, speaking is the most important pillars of English language. This is the final pillar of language, friends. If you have command on this pillar, it means you have grip whole knowledge, you have grip whole knowledge. So friends, this is very important. You are speaking English, it means you are able to express yourself, and you are able to express your thoughts in English language, friends. No, why so many people are not why so are why there are so many people are not able to speak English language after doing grammar courses, after doing vocabulary, after doing so many structures? Because friends, no friends no friends, they never try to speak English, friends. They are waiting for perfection. Yes, they are waiting for perfection to come. They are waiting for that somebody will come and who will help them, friends. Who will help them, friends? No, please don't wait for perfection. Please don't wait for perfection, friends, because perfection perfection will not come. Nobody will help you, friends. Nobody will help you, friends. Friends, one thing always keep in your mind. Friends, one thing keep in your mind. Friends, speaking comes only by speaking. Friends, if you speak, friends, you can improve your speaking. If you do not speak, you can't improve. Please understand. If you do not, friends, if you do not speak, like friends, I am giving an example. Friends, suppose you want to swimming, friends. You want to swim, friends, in the water, friends. You need to get into the water first. You need to get in the water first, then you can be a good swimmer, friends. You have to practice, friends. You have to practice in the water, friends. So you can become a good swimmer, friends. Likewise, if you want to be a good speaker, if you want to, friends, accumulate, friends, if you want to be take your English to the next level, friends, you need to speak every single day. You need to speak every single day, friends. Some people, they afraid, mistakes. Some people, they afraid from their mistakes. Friends, it is not matter, that you are doing mistakes, friends. It is not matter you are doing mistakes, friends. You are doing mistakes, that means you are learning something, friends. Don't make, friends, make 100 mistakes starting, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Please try to speak English language, please try to speak. Friends, you have to understand it. Friends, you know, I can't say please go to the medical shop and buy 10 tablets one evening, one morning, after 10 days good English, friends. But remember one thing, there is not such tablet in the market. There is not such tablet in the market. There is only one tablet, that is work hard. That is work hard. Are you willing to work hard for your English language? So friends, you can improve your English language. Friends, why we are not able to speak English language? Because we do not have practiced English language. We have practiced in our mother tongue, because we always speak in our mother tongue. We never try to speak English language. Friends, you can't speak English if you do not speak English. So this is very simple. Speaking comes only by speaking, friends. So please understand, friends. Friends, English, friends, English, friends, 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 English is taught as a subject in our school. English is taught as a subject in our college. Friends, English, friends, English is not taught as a language. So this is the big reason. And friends, it is a language. Friends, you have to speak at least you have to speak. You have to speak every single day. Please don't worry that you are doing mistake, you are speaking wrongly, friends. 4 words English, 1 word Hindi, accepted it. Please accepted it. Please speak English language. Please, if you want to improve your English language, you have to speak at least. So this is very important. Now friends, I am, friends, this is very important. Now friends, I am doing some things and I am saying on other things. Friends, have you read Bhagavad Gita? Have you read Bhagavad Gita? What did Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita? What did Krishna says? Friends, Krishna says that whatever you do in your life, you must do it efficiently. Friends, you must do it efficiently. Friends, if you come to impact, then learn efficiently. Friends, then learn efficiently. Friends, because it is going to make your life, it is going to make you successful. So please, friends, our tradition, we have something called mantra. Friends, what is your mantra? Friends, friends, mantra, do you know the meaning of mantra? Friends, mantra means you have to speak one word at least 100 times and 200 times. It is called mantra. Friends, what is your mantra? Friends, your mantra is English speaking. Your mantra is English speaking. Friends, as soon as get up early in the morning, and friends, you do puja and you do bathing and all, please do all these things in English language. Can you do that? If you can do that, you can improve your English language. You can improve. If you can't do that, you can't improve. Please, you can't improve. You have to notice that you can't improve. Please learn English like this way. And friends, if you did not practice English in one day, friends, one day, please don't sleep on that day. Please don't eat on that day. Please please don't do anything on that day. Can you have motivation like this? Friends, only few people can say yes, we have confidence. Friends, if you have confidence, at least 6 months and 1 year, you can improve your English language. So this is the very important. Now friends, this is very important. Now friends, how will you practice of speaking? Friends, if you have friends, you can speak English with them. But if you do not have friends, please don't worry. Friends, you know, friends, you have your better friend than your real friend, because your real friend might run away. Your real friend might run away, but your mobile phone and does not run away, because you always have your cell phone. Yes, you always have your cell phone. Use it and learn. Friends, no. Have you ever seen that, friends? Have you ever seen that people play chess with themselves? People play chess with themselves, and friends, they they take white corn, then they go there. They put black corn, again they come here. You can you can practice English like this way, friends. Please speak yourself. You speak English in front of people. You speak English uh, with your friends. You feel hesitated. You feel nervous, friends. You feel shy. Please understand. Please English with yourself, friends. Record yourself and see how you are looking, friends, how you are looking, and identify your mistakes. What are the mistakes are you doing? Please identify, friends. If you do this practice like 1 month and 2 months, you can improve yourself, and friends, you can improve. So this is very important. So plans, at least this is the, friends, there is not shortcut of learning language. You have to work hard for learning. So this is very important. Now friends, here I made some points for English language, and friends I am telling about some things and education. So this is very important. Thank you, friends.